Welcome. My name is Robbin. This here is Rob's Auto Care. We are located on Kamiti Road, Nairobi. Our pin is available on Google Maps. Our location, you can find it on Google. We're also available on our Facebook page, Rob's Auto Care. Welcome again. So here we focus on vehicle body and mechanical repairs. Mostly we do mechanical repairs, engine, suspension, brakes, transmission. We also do vehicle diagnosis using a diagnosis machine. We also do pre-sale checks and pre-purchase checks. For example, if you want to buy a new car, we can inspect that for you and we let you know whether the car is in good health. We also do paint work and body work, as I mentioned earlier when I mentioned body works. Sometimes we take in maybe salvage vehicles and we repair them. Mostly we do that for customers. We also do, we can call it a side business, but we also buy old cars, restore and sell. We also do that for our own customers when they request us. So normally from Mondays to Saturday or Monday to Friday we do mechanical repairs. However, on Saturday and Sunday we focus mostly on the body works. However, if you still need mechanical repairs, service done on a weekend, we are always happy to help you. So we have a number of cars around at the moment. This one right here has been around for a few months. It came in as a salvage and we have already finished. It's just the final touches we're working on. However, the car is in good running condition. We also take in a number of other cars. For example, around we have a car that is here for respray. We also have another car here for engine work. It has an oil leakage and that's a major leakage, so we have to remove the engine. And then we also have one that is here for sale. It's just an old car. We've done a bit of work on it and then we are reselling it at the moment. This is a Toyota MRS Roadster. It's a two-seater mid-engine or a rear engine car. So we got it about 3 months ago. It belongs to a customer. Upon the customer's request, we were able to assess the vehicle and we saw it, and from our assessment we saw that it was possible to restore the vehicle back to the roads. So we decided to take up the challenge and our customer agreed. So we took the vehicle, it was brought in and we started work on it, and now about 3 months later we have the complete product, or almost complete, just a few touches remaining on it. So it has taken quite a lot of hard work to work on the car to bring it back to its original shape, or as close to original as possible. So first of all, we needed to have the expertise. We needed the expertise and the tools to restore it back to its shape. We also needed the parts. We know that it's not a common car and spare parts can be an issue. However, we thought ahead of that and we had a donor vehicle, and that is where we got our parts from. So the donor car has ended up restoring this car back to its original shape. We used some of the panels from the donor vehicle and some of its original panels that were intact we fixed. Some required panel beating, and a few parts we had to buy brand new. For example, the radiator, we had to buy a brand new radiator. Windscreens were not easy to get. However, we got in contact with the Hebatula Glass, and they were able to make several copies of these windscreens, though they are not easy to find. So the other parts, for example, the rear suspension was a bit bent, that we just got from the donor car. Normally in a case like this, it requires new parts, but the parts are a bit difficult to find. So in that case, that's where our donor car comes in handy. So finally, we've managed to complete the car. It's in running, it's in driving condition, and we expect to see it back on the roads in a few weeks. And our customer is very happy with the progress so far, and we are hoping to get more clients out of this same job. We have others we've done, and we are hoping to do more jobs if you allow us to. So you are very welcome. The link is Rob's Auto Care on Facebook and Rob's Auto Care on Google Maps. Once again, if you need to reach us, you're most welcome. We are available on Google Maps. You can find our location, Rob's Auto Care. We are located on Kamiti Road, Nairobi, between Kamiti Road and the Eastern Bypass. And as I said before, we also have a page on Facebook where you can reach us on Rob's Auto Care. Thank you.